Alright, we're asked to find the exact value of now tangent of arc cosine of 2/3. Okay? You were able to do a problem like this yesterday. And now we actually have to find the tangent after we have found the inverse. So, what I like to do is I'm going to put a box around all of this. And as we climb up in higher level math, you're going to do more substitutions. And again, just like yesterday, you're going to pick your favorite Greek letter. Your favorite Greek letter might be alpha. So essentially what we need to do is find tangent of alpha. Well, I need to know more about alpha. Okay? Okay. Alpha is equal to the pink box. Yes? Was that the substitution? So now I can write that. Alpha is equal to arc cosine 2/3. Turn off your phones. Okay. What's another way of writing arc cosine? Inverse. We've talked about that, right? These are the same things. The inverse of cosine of 2/3. Okay, this should be really familiar now. What do we do next? We switch them. You know to switch them because you have the -1. So what am I going to switch? The x value with the y value. So now I have 2/3 is equal to cosine of alpha. Okay. Now, the warning light should go on. Think to yourself. Is cosine of an angle equal to 2/3? Is 2/3 on your unit circle? Don't say anything. Think about it. Think about it in your head. The answer on count 3. 1, 2, 3? No. Okay, really, if you think about it, the trig paper plate is a bunch of special right triangles drawn together, but we have these ordered pairs that make it go faster. Now, if it's not on here, then we have to draw. We're going back to drawing our triangles. So let's draw our triangle. Some of you guys are excited. Looks has a visual, right? This pencil's not working. Don't use that one. Okay, so I know it's positive. I'm just going to work in quadrant 1. Here's alpha. Draw a triangle. In some ways, that's why graph paper is not helpful. It's not drawn to scale. Okay, what do we know about cosine? Oh, my toe, my toe. There's two things you should be thinking about. SOHCAHTOA is the most elementary one. Next door, Mr. Stewart's talking about in Math 3-4 Honors, they're talking about this, SOHCAHTOA. So that's just the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, adjacent over the hypotenuse. Or in our class, the letters for cosine are what? X over R. Okay. You guys are making me sweat. So your x value is 2. Your r value is 3. We're missing the y value, so I can use Pythagorean theorem because I have two sides of a right triangle. The Pythagorean theorem is partner A tell partner B Pythagorean theorem in terms of x, y, and r. Ready, set, go. Okay, it's kind of embarrassing, but just go slow because a lot of you guys just like, I don't know why you think, oh yeah, Pythagorean theorem is so easy, and then like you guys are like missing it left and right. X is 2. The y value we don't know, and the r value is 3. Look, no shame. It's okay. Use your calculator. No, I'm serious because a lot of you missed it, and you guys know what I'm talking about. 3 squared, 9. 2 squared. How do I solve for y? Subtract 4. 9 minus 4 is 7. I don't know. Some of you guys did that. 9 minus 4 is 5. How do I get rid of the exponent? Pay attention. Y is equal to plus or minus radical 5. To my picture, y is positive radical 5, right? All the values should be positive because all the trig functions are positive, and you're going right, that's positive, and up is positive. Okay, put your finger on this whole problem, what we were asked to find. We were asked to find tangent. Tangent of alpha. Okay, alpha is the angle. Put your finger where the angle is on our picture. That's right here. Tangent is which letters? Y over x. So what is y over x? Radical 5 over 2. You'll have, this is why I call it the double inverse. You're kind of like doing this problem over here. And then, I guess it's not a double inverse, but then you look back at your picture to find tangent. Okay, so just do a substitution. Do the problems like we did yesterday. Use your triangle, Pythagorean theorem, and then look back at your substitution, trying to find tangent of alpha. Just look at your picture and you can find it.